guys, Ileana here. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we have a new box to this channel. I had a little starter kit come in and wanted to show it to you guys. So this was, I love subscriptions. I like to try them, try different things, see what's going on. I thought it was fun and cute. So let's just go ahead and check this giant box out right here. This is the FabFitFun starter box. So I only paid $5 for this. I already took a look inside. It was pretty awesome for how much I paid for this. I already know that the original box is going to be $50. It's a seasonal box, so it only comes 4 times for the year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. I don't know what kind of products come in exactly. Obviously I can see, I've seen all the advertisements: clothes, makeup, beauty, hair, that sort of thing. How many products? I don't remember how many products that you could possibly get into them. But let's go ahead and let's just see what's happening inside of our box today. I have a few things to say about this. It says happiness delivered, spread joy, FabFitFun, feel good, do good. Greetings from Los Angeles, California. Lots of cute little sayings on this box. It's what's inside that counts. Lots of decorative things on this box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Oh, what does this say? Welcome to your new favorite thing, FabFitFun. Like I said, I paid $5 for this starter box. And let's see, this is like information inside in this little magazine. Are we friends yet? Follow us on social media, FabFitFun, how the box is curated, eat seasonally, 5 ways to boost your workout. Your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. Yeah, just a bunch of information in this thing. Then this says, a note from us at FabFitFun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. So I guess the items that come in the starter box were top rated items that were reviewed from people who received items in their seasonal boxes. And then it tells you the items of what's going to come in this box. Now, this isn't accurate. A lot of people had the same starter box from like online that I've seen. People said that they were receiving their starter boxes, and so far it looks like we all received the same stuff and we all got the same card that does not have the correct information. So that was one iffy thing. See, one of my little opinions already being curated from receiving this box was, you're telling me what's supposed to be inside this box and yet those aren't the actual items. Although, am I disappointed? I paid $5 for this. According to this, it says that the total retail value is $162 according to the items that they gave on this paper. These items, of course, are very nice. You can see, hopefully, what's going inside of this box. Some little papers, scraggly papers in here, and we got some goodies. So let's go ahead and pull them out. This says Diff Charitable Eyewear. This is a pair of sunglasses. For every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. We're going to go ahead and bust them up. I saw someone, I forgot to look them up, but apparently somebody looked them up, and these sunglasses are like $75. They're very nice. They come in a very nice case. Here they are, all nicely wrapped up in such and such. Look at this nice case. I hope you can see this, see what's going on with it. But we're going to open these up. Comes with a little cleaning rag. That's always nice. And then here they are. They're kind of an aviator look, like a slim aviator. I like the way that they fit on my face. They fit really nicely on me, and they're just super cute. I really like them. So yeah, so starting off, somebody said they looked these up and they're like $75. So already $5 versus $75. And this does say that technically this box was worth $162. So we're already close there with that. So let's go ahead, and I'm kind of excited to receive these because, again, I think I've mentioned in a video before, please check out my past videos, I am collecting this and that for gifts for people. So I'm just like, ooh, this is good for so-and-so, and this is good for so-and-so. So we are going to pop out this one, Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Here it is. Hopefully it's focusing. You can check that out. Some information on it. Let's see. It says with Davidson Plum and Refine, Brighten, Illuminate, Nurture. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. Then lightly pat your skin dry. Cruelty free, made in Australia. A bunch of information. Tells you where you can find them at. That's fun. Let's see. What was on here? So this wasn't on our card. The sunglasses weren't on our card. No. Okay, pulling out the other items. So 3 out of 4 items that we're receiving in this box weren't even on the card. I don't know what's up with that. So the next thing is this leave-in conditioner. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it says hair care. So here it is right here. This one is also no animal testing, free parabens, made in the USA. Multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. This has a ton of reviews. I asked people online if they liked it, how they felt about this product, and a lot of people chimed in, and they're just like, we love that product, it's amazing. And I'm pretty sure, I want to say, I don't know if these are full-size items. Maybe that's like a mini full-size item, you know what I'm saying? Like, you wouldn't buy samples in the store, but they have the small item that you can buy, and then they have a bigger bottle that you can buy, sort of thing. Because this is kind of a big bottle, but at the same time, I feel like they would have like a bigger container of this as well. So those are 2 items that I'm at least excited that I'm just like, ooh, I know exactly who I can give those to. I love the sunglasses. I'm keeping those. Now, this last item is actually on the card, so we can check that one out. It is a Yumi Cam hanging train case. The multifunctional train case is complete with a hanger and fold-out pocket for major storage capabilities. This bag is $58. So, oh, and yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I don't know how much those other 2 items were already, but the $58 with the $78, I can't do math off the top of my head, but that's over 100. I know that. What, 130, something like that. But the bag is super cute. I didn't exactly understand what the whole point of the hanger was. Somebody had to explain that to me. Look, here it is. I think the bag is freaking adorable, although I love the color pink. I'm not big on floral, but floral's kind of been growing on me, but I'm not super crazy over floral, but I love the pink. The bag is super cute. Hopefully I can get good use out of this. How, when, I don't know. But it's like a little tote bag and has gold zipper. We're going to go ahead and unzip it. So somebody explained to me. I was just like, what's the point of the hanger? So apparently when you're staying in your room, you're supposed to, you're supposed to be able to hang it up like this. Can you like see what's happening? This is the inside of it, by the way. So you can like hang it up like this in your closet, I guess, or in your bathroom when you're trying to use it, and like you can see your products that you have here or something like that. Because I guess you don't have counter space is what they were telling me. You can hang it up. I don't know. Like, I guess I get what you're talking about, but like you can see all your goodies just hanging out there. And yeah, I don't know if I'm crazy about that part of it. Like, look, what is this for? I didn't even notice can you see that little, I thought you can put multiple makeup brushes here, but I don't think you can. I don't know, there's that, but there's 3 zipper compartments, and I'd have to take all this paper out of here. Are there extra? I'm like dropping everything now. I'm not gonna get too much into that. Let's go ahead and just throw this back in the box along with everything else. But that's everything that came in this box. Quick little box, 5 ways to boost your workout. I don't know. There's a bunch of information that's going on in here too, guys. What did you guys think of this box? Does it get you excited? If you're interested in the $50 box, I've been interested in FabFitFun, but $50 is a bit of a gamble for getting random things. Like, are they going to listen to what you said that you wanted? I don't know. If you guys have been watching my Ipsy videos, you can see my beef with Ipsy that I've been having. So I said in the past before that the original $10 price, the now $12 price, is less upsetting, but Ipsy's been messing up more and more, and I'm kind of over it. But yeah, so like, I don't know, $50, I think that's a little too high of a price for me, unless I start making more money, but that's maybe a future thing. But hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to stay tuned for my future videos. I have been uploading every Tuesday at 6 a.m. or releasing anyways. I upload my videos ahead of time and have them scheduled. So every Tuesday, 6 a.m. Please subscribe. And until next time, you guys have a good one. Bye.